Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. I'm gonna answer a couple questions, kind of like a tip, I guess, an art tip kind of thing. But as you can see, I am doing another Odd Girl art quilt, and this one happens to be with a face that I drew for an art journal page, I believe. And all I did was I scanned it in my computer or into my scanning software on my printer and printed her out. I have an inkjet, so that's what I used. And what I did then was I took my favorite thing, I'm on my second bottle of this stuff, the Mod Podge fabric tissue, and I glued her down on the fabric that I made myself. I made this with just blue and yellow, and you can see how I wanted it to be not a sickly color, but I didn't want it to be so pretty kind of thing, And so all I did was I glued her down and took the Mod Podge fabric tissue glue and put it on top very quickly. Now this is inkjet. Sometimes it can smear the littlest bit. I just printed on regular printer copy paper. I don't ever have problems with that, and I just have a plain old inkjet printer. If you do it fast enough and only one coat. So once you glue it down, make sure she's flat as you can make her, because this is just paper underneath here. And then real quick, take the biggest brush that you have, even a sponge brush would do, put your Mod Podge on it and just real quick do a once over. And that's going to seal it, so then we can work on top if we want, and it'll help it stay secure. Now, I love the Mod Podge fabric glue because I can sew through it with my sewing machine and it doesn't gum up. And I love that because I love to sew. I do most of my Odd Girls with, I draw them on muslin and, do the faces and all that kind of stuff. But sometimes I'll take faces that I've already drawn and I will, do this. So I figured since you guys were asking, because a lot of you do not have fabric, that I would do a quick art video. So now what I'll do is I'm going to decide, because of the backgrounds, I want to use these faces, but I love the hair, but I'm going to make the faces a little bit different. But with her, you can see the eye color that I did when I drew it originally, and I love how it matches. So I'm probably going to stick with that. And then do some sort of, I don't know, some sort of dress or, something. I don't know yet. I haven't got that far. But I figured I would show you this real quick tip. You don't have to always draw on fabric if you're not comfortable. You definitely can, draw on your regular copy paper or print out something that you already drew. I don't know. This is a lot of fun. There's so many things that you can do. I'll show you another face I'm doing. She's like now I'm going to paint her hair a different color. I just did the black as a base. And that's her face. And I'm going to play around with it a little bit more. But I want her to look a little, a little weird. So I don't know. I don't know what exactly I'm going to do with her and what color hair I'm going to give her. But I was playing around. Sometimes I do that and I hate them. And this is just cardstock. I love buying the cardstock. You can get it in big bulk at the craft store with a coupon and get a bunch of them and just draw 10 things and then, pick out the ones that you like the most. Sometimes you don't like them. Now, this one I'm working on. This is another face that I've done. And so I'm working on this one to see about making it an art quilt as well. And I just painted, this is printer paper, copy paper. And I just printed, I just drew it and used the acrylic in a light flush, which I love, to do her base of her face. And yeah, and then I'll see where I go from there. So yeah, so that's it. Just a little tip. Hope you enjoyed. If you do, share me around. I appreciate it. Leave me a like if you enjoy what I do. You can hit the bell next door right there, a little bell, so you can get notified every time I upload. And I love you guys. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.